In the previous video, we have learned how to import or how to download Bootstrap from getbootstrap.com and include in our project file and start working with Bootstrap. And in this section, I'm going to talk about the basic building block of Bootstrap, that is Bootstrap Grid. So creating responsive site in Bootstrap can be very challenging or a bit challenging because of the mathematical calculation involved in calculating the width of your column or your div. So Bootstrap include a most fundamental component of there is 12 column grid layout that is accessed through our CSS classes to create responsive site in easy to use manner. So there is three key concept of Bootstrap is container, rows and columns. Columns are built on 12 column grid layout, and to run column in a proper manner we have container and rows outside them. So first of all we're going to talk about is Bootstrap Container. Bootstrap Container is a layout or is a controller, we can say that, to control the entire layout of your website or web applications, which include by default 15 pixel padding from left or right side, so that whatever the content you include inside your container that will not attach to your corner of your screen size or your device. There are two type of container Bootstrap include, that is fluid and fixed width container. So I'll be taking you through the live example what is fixed width and what is fluid container is all about, because both take 15 pixel padding from left and right side. So the difference is we're going to talk about in my live example there. So I'll be creating a heading section using a S3 tag, and there is a dummy text I have put in my paragraph tag, and I'll just save this and I'll go to my browser and see that this is what exactly it's look alike. So there is no padding from left and right side there because I haven't included any Bootstrap class there. So first of all, how to start including Bootstrap classes, just create a div, add a class, and inside that type container fluid class and close your div. And now I'm gonna include this heading tag and paragraph tag inside my container class there. So this is our Bootstrap container fluid class, which is the controller of our Bootstrap. Whenever you create a project, create a container first, and after that put your content inside that. And now if you can see that there is 15 pixel padding from left and 15 pixel padding from right. So now what is the difference between container fluid and container class? So container fluid is basically same to all screen size. When I say it remains same to all screen size, that means if you just scroll or stretch your website to any screen size, the padding will be same to all screen size from left to right. It's 15 pixel by default all the time. But when we include only container in place of container fluid, so you can see that this is taking more than 15 pixel padding from left and right, because container works only with specific screen size or some specific fixed width size, we can say that. So when I stretch my site, so right now it's 15 pixel, so when I stretch it out, you can see that after a fixed width there will be a increase in your space, padding space, right? You can see that after 768 it will remain same till 768. After that it's increasing the size. So this is what the difference between your fluid container and fixed width container. Fixed width container remain same till less than 768. After 750 pixel it will again take the 15 pixel padding, and after that 970 pixel it again take the 15 pixel, and again same goes for the last size. And apart from these size there will be a difference in your padding. So this is the basic difference between your fluid container and container.